Home gyms, secret rooms, and a private cinema. Here's an inside look at the Not Enough Nelsons' huge mansion castle and how much it's worth. The YouTube family of 18 has amassed millions of followers who tune in weekly to get an inside look into their chaotic life. With content ranging from room makeovers to shopping hauls, there's very little the family won't share with their fans. Nearly all the family's content takes place inside their huge home, which spans 3 floors and includes 10 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, a gym, movie theatre, and even a salon and a dedicated YouTube room. The lower floor boasts 2 huge living rooms, a kitchen, office, and a laundry room, as well as a craft room. Mum Tiffany shared an inside look at their home in a video titled Inside Our Mega Family Castle House Tour, where she's joined by multiple members of the family as they reveal their favourite parts of the house. The property stands on a giant plot of land with an impressive driveway lined with large trees and greenery, including an orchard circle in front of the house, and the exterior might be even more impressive than the inside. The Nelsons' backyard hosts a huge swimming pool complete with a slide and surrounded by fireplaces and seating areas where the family hosts parties and events. There's also a giant pond filled with expensive fish and ornate water fountains, which some of the older siblings have chosen as the backdrop for their wedding ceremonies. And the Nelsons certainly aren't short of activities, as the backyard also boasts a huge basketball court, playsets for the young children, and huge spans of land for the kids to ride their golf carts. It comes as no surprise that their mega mansion is worth an estimated $6 million, and the family's vehicle collection is just as impressive, with each child being given an allowance for their first car of around $10,000 each. The family's success doesn't end there, with Cassidy, known online as Just Cass, having built her own fortune from online fame. Starting out on YouTube with the rest of her 15 siblings, Cass led the Not Enough Nelsons channel, which soon grew to 4 million followers. Cass soon branched out on her own, gaining another 4 million followers on her own TikTok and YouTube channels, as well as over 500,000 subscribers on another channel she shares with her husband Josh called Just Parkers. The second oldest daughter of the Nelson clan often makes videos spending thousands of dollars on her siblings, with lavish makeup hauls, room transformations, and surprise trips. As well as her YouTube success, Cass also owns her own fashion brand, Just Cass Shop, where she sells loungewear to her loyal followers. According to StarStat, Just Cass' YouTube channel gets an average of 2 million views per video, estimating that the social media star makes up to an eye-watering $680,000 a month, and that's not including sponsorships or brand deals. According to the source, Just Cass's YouTube channel reportedly makes $8 million a year, with her channel net worth reaching an estimated $15 million. And Cass definitely knows how to spend her earnings after documenting building her huge Utah dream home, complete with a cinema room and walk-in closet with thousands of dollars worth of designer items. But it hasn't been smooth sailing for the social media star. Cassidy Parker, the second eldest daughter of the 16 children from the Not Enough Nelsons clan, has been open about her struggles with fertility to her almost 5 million subscribers on her own YouTube channel, Just Cass. The 25-year-old has documented her journey of trying to get pregnant over the last 3 years, and shared a heartbreaking clip at her first pregnancy scan where the sonographer failed to find the baby's heartbeat.
That's not what I was expecting. I was supposed to be exciting.
Cass went on to share the details of her miscarriage at 14 weeks and described the experience as traumatic after coming close to being a life-threatening loss.
It was very traumatic. So we found out that I was hemorrhaging. I know that some people go through that when they have a baby, is they hemorrhage, and it's really, really scary. You're basically just like losing blood like crazy and you can die.
Cass also found out that she had polycystic ovaries and a rare blood type, which would mean any future pregnancies would also likely result in a miscarriage.
I have Rh negative blood, which I didn't even know. Basically, that is a very rare blood. I think about 15% of the entire world has Rh negative blood. That is a blood type where
you can only have one baby, and then after your one baby, basically your body's gonna fight off every other baby unless that baby also has Rh negative blood, which is extremely rare.
Over the next few years and multiple failed pregnancy tests, Cass and her husband Josh decided to undergo IVF and shared their emotional journey to their followers. In June 2024, Cass revealed to her subscribers that she was finally pregnant again after their IVF embryo transfer was successful, and shared the reactions of her husband, parents, and 15 siblings after breaking the news. Cass gave birth to a daughter just before Christmas and introduced her to the world and her followers in an emotional YouTube video. And after a long-awaited reveal, Cass told her siblings and her audience the baby's name, after having it embroidered on a custom Dior bag worth over $3,000.
Suede. Wait, that's cute. That's really cute.
So her first name is Suede.
But despite most of the siblings claiming to like the name,
Oh, that's cute. I like it. That's really cute.
fans are divided. One commented, "Isn't suede literally a material or something like that? No offense, but why would you name your child that?" In response, another replied, "Worse, it's animal hide." poor kid. However, others shared their congratulations in the comments for Cass after a difficult pregnancy journey.